Look at you. You gonna slide down? Uh-oh. What happened? Let her slide down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! You did it! Olivia, up the steps and down the slide. Olivia. Oh, Olivia. Okay, now slide. 1. Oh, you're gonna sit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! Come on, come down. 1, 2, 3. Whee! You did it. Good job. You too? Okay, let's see it. Let's see it. 1, 2. You hear the dog? Yeah. 3. Whee! Yay! Where are you going, Olivia? Olivia, where are you going? Guys, go get Olivia. She's going to sneak out. Olivia!
Oh, wait. And
come back.
Before the person starts, once they finish,
Get over here.